Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you facing Invalid QVM format in file config.qvm a fatal error with IGI 2? Then watch this video and it will be fixed. I'm trying here and here I'm facing a problem Invalid QVM format in config.qvm is a fatal error and it's easy to fix. Just follow the steps. Go to your C drive and open the IGI folder. Here you have to find config.qvm file. Just right click and delete it from here. When you delete it, refresh your system and try it again. I'm trying here. It will be open now. This problem does not need reinstallation of the game or any other software. Here you can see after the fatal error message, you can see the IGI is running correctly and smoothly in my system. So if you like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and to receive just like informative videos in the future. Thank you.